stand up tall and nice, take a few deep breaths. Once you're ready, gently bring your butt back and begin to bend your knees slightly and raise your arms all the way up as you inhale, and make sure you have a normal deep breath. So in Utkatasana, the chair pose, your body weight should be onto your thighs instead of your knees. So make sure your knees are getting sore and burned so that the posture is effective on your back and onto your thighs. Stay in this posture for quite a few breaths, and once you're ready, gently inhale and stand up tall and nice and relax.
Lie on your abdomen, open your legs out slightly, place your palms in between your chest and your pelvic bone. Now inhale and then come up. Feel somebody is pulling your neck, lengthen your neck and then come all the way up towards the ceiling and then arch back. Inhale, come up, arch back, push your pelvic bone down, allow your pelvic bones to protrude towards the mat and then stretch your lower abdomen. Don't bend your elbows, press the elbows and you don't shrug your shoulders. Open your shoulders out, arch back, drop your neck down and then lift your legs up. Nice stretch for your quadriceps. This is called as Kapotasana. Keep pushing your pelvic bone down, tighten your butt muscles, breathe mindfully. Exhale, down, and then relax. And then come to Shashangasana. Stay here for 5 to 6 breaths.